Good evening, ma. So I would like to use the shortest time possible to show you the software, a sample of the software, the one we built for other people, and I snapped the book, the one manager used to use and compile information for you. So using this sample, I want to show you now. I would work on that information on that book, and then create something very very user friendly that you can both be accessing both with your phone or your laptop, and you can track data easily without checking through pages of book and trying to look for something. When anything you search, it will just come out showing you the date and the month. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so I have several ones opened here. Let me show you the first one, which is the attendance first here. So smart, this is the names of your staff. Look, imagine it as your own staff. This is for a manufacturing company in Agbara. So this is a sample data. I'm not gonna Buit it, so the sample data, that's what I'm showing you. So you can select everything is dropped down. You're not typing anything. You select the name of your staff, you select his position. What is his position? Is he a loader? Is he a secretary? Is he a then this is his salary. Now when the person comes to work is W. Let me delete this one. You can see, notice the price and the days work here. I was using this one to show manager, so I will delete it. You can see everything has changed. It's not zero here. It's not zero. So W is for work, O is overtime, where person want to work overtime. WH working holiday, this holiday, this is sick, and this is vacation. Now some of sick, holiday, vacation, you don't get paid. Working overtime, they set it to be 120%. Work shift 100%, meaning he's going to get 100% of this pay. Overtime 120% of this pay. And working holiday, weekends that you are supposed to be at home, you now say okay, there's emergency work come, you get 150%. Now how did I get this figure? Before I start calculating, I'll go to my settings. You can see it here. This is the price. I can change it here. I can change anyone here, edit it and put my own figure. Working holiday should be this amount. I can say overtime should be this amount. I can say work shift should be this amount. So I can change the percentage and say okay, pay 50%. Anyhow, it's just your choice. Now this is the position and this is the salary for his position. So if I select that guy now and put him as cleaner, you notice the salary will change. Let's select the first guy and put him as cleaner. So this is the first guy. Storekeeper is 1,538. I'll change it and put him as cleaner. You can see his salary has changed. So now if I say he comes to work now, if he comes to work, W, which is work, it will count here as 1 day. He has worked 1 day in that month, and this is total pay. Now I will select the month. This is February starting on the Thursday. If you check your calendar on the phone, man, you see that February starting on the Thursday. If I select another month, maybe March for instance, now for instance March started on the Friday. Now let me select April is going to start on the Monday. April 2024 will start on the Monday. So you can see the calendar is real time, so you can track your staff salary and attendance and know what has been happening since without stressing yourself. Very very bold, very very big, and okay for you to see. So let's track this sample data. So this guy came to work today. Michael too came to work. Joshua Ogazi said, oh, there's two Joshua Ogazi. Theophilus said he was sick. You can see sick does not get any amount of money. It does not even count that he came to work. And Ikpe said he's on vacation. You can see my vacation does not bring any money. So it's just like that. You keep filling the next day, which is 2nd of February. You click and then select this other one came to work. So his money is increasing automatically, and this is your total money that you will pay them for that month. So if there's IOU, we can create a column for IOU where the customer requests advance payment of the salary. So the IOU, the formula will calculate it automatically, like whatever pay he gets at the end of the month minus that IOU. So you will get the total. So I can create it like that. So this is for the attendance, and let me go to the inventory. Now this is how the inventory looks like. We can create something even better for you. Now this is the current stock of the inventory in the store, in this software. This is the current stock, 430. This is the stock value of that amount. This is the stock in for this month. You can do it daily, you can do it monthly, you can do it weekly. This stock in for this month, this stock out. Now this is your button to track each product. Imagine this is Pepsi now, or Goldberg. If I click Goldberg now, for instance, it will tell me I have 113 Goldberg and my reorder level is 5,000. What is reorder level? Reorder level is when the thing pass that level, alert me and tell me that this thing is low. This thing is low. So you can see in the home page of the dashboard, you can see that this carton, which I am assuming to be Pepsi, they are getting the error message that stock is below reorder level. So let's try and find the product that will remove that error message, maybe the one that is above the reorder level. Let's say lubricant oil. Lubricant oil is 49 and the reorder level is 32. You can see the message here, stock is above the reorder level. So when you open, you can know each product, which one is remaining, which one is not remaining, how many is remaining. Aside that, there's a report for this item. You can see a graphical report by the side telling you oil, this is the price under oil, sum of value, sum of current stock, under packaging. Just imagine this as your product. You get a barcode and a graph. You can design it more. Now you can add new products. Clicking up here, add new product, it gives you a column for you to add your product. What's your product name? Is it maybe Henneken? You can add it here. This is the product description, and you will customize this to your taste. Now there's something I want you to see about the adding a product and also adding inventory. Maybe you have new supply of drinks and you want to add inventory. Use this stock in, for instance. Now in stocking, it's automated, it's automatic, whereby if I select a product, maybe I want my truck is ready and they want to offload, and they're going to offload Pepsi. I'll select a random product for Pepsi. You can see automatically the current date comes, a automatic serial number comes, a new product ID comes, the product description comes, the product category comes. All I need to do is just select Pepsi. In this case, it's diesel. And now the quantity would be, let's say, maybe 200 pack of Pepsi. If I press here now, see how much it is. If I press here and I say, so that's 240, because the original price for one Pepsi is logged somewhere in this place, which I will still show you. So you can see everything is automated, stress-free. Whatever she's doing, you're seeing it in real time. Like I said, you can add stock in, you can do stock out, and you can see your product master overview of everything that has been sold. So we can create this one now to be on that list. If I should check my phone, hold on, I took the picture from manager's book, and if I should check, yes, I'm seeing products, date, product, opening balance, sales, closing balance. This is even a more simpler information you want to collect, and probably mode of payment. Although I've explained to you, you can use the app that you already have to track your mode of payment, but we can still, just for verification, add it here too in this software, so you can track your mode of payment. So all right, so I will go back and show you. Okay, this is production, because this software belongs to a pot manufacturing company, where they track their production, they track their repair room, their engine, generator, and the rest of that. So we've talked about the staff room, we've talked about, okay, this for expense. So this is the one I will integrate this software for you, and also integrate your dashboard for your inventory, all in your name and all in your tastes, based on what you want to collect. Now there's another software also. We have our full employee database. Now with this database, you can track your employee information. Like you can know their which office am I tracking. Is it the one in Igondu? This is the settings, but let me go back to how the information looks like. Now these are all the employees in this system. They've been added already automatically. This for a company in Ireland. So if I press Segun Arinze now, okay, this is the sample. If I press Segun Arinze, you can see every information about Segun Arinze, like the employee ID, department, job status, full-time, job title, director, secretary, office, Igandu office, passport ID, nationality, marital status, number of kids, driving license, education, his bachelor's degree, gender, date of birth, his email, his address, his phone number, the city he was born, his current currency he's being paid in, his blood group, does he have any health problem, contact information, initial salary, his current salary, bank account, is he an active staff. These are all information about just your staff. You have it as a record in case of anything. With this information, you can track anybody anywhere, because you already have the database. This is why you need to build up your database of your staff. As you're employing them, you gather this information and have it down, and you know everything about them. Just by pressing one button, you can know everything about the staff. Femi Miller, now this is everything about Femi Miller. This is everything about Jane Ikechiku. Now just like that. So this is the employee database, complete comprehensive employee database with dashboard showing you graphical reporting. You can say, okay, under Igondu office, I want to see only report for Igondu office. When you click Igondu office, it shows you all the report for only Igondu office. You can see the report is changing. If I say show me the report for Idimo office, You can see the demo office. If there's data you've entered, you see it here. So you can see the result for all of them, down to department, down to job title, down to staff that are active. You can see all their reporting here. So all of them have their reporting. The video is getting too long now. I would have taken more time to show you more information. I think we also have our family budget system here, where you can use to track your home expenses, man. Maybe, man, you're having your mortgage on a property, or you're paying your electric bill, you're paying your gas and oil, you are paying water bill, lawma bill, you're buying data, man, for your home internet, mobile internet, you're doing your DSTV subscription, you're buying home supplies, you're doing maintenance in your house, you're checking and buying your furniture, or you're improving your home security. You'll be tracking the amount of money you're spending each month. This is January, February, March. It's already arranged. Or I can click this button and minimize home expense, and this is daily living, your groceries, personal supply for your clothes, you bought a clothes, cleaning services, dining, dry cleaning. Or you track it at the end of the month. Say, this is how much I spent for my home spending. Many Nigerian people don't use it. That's why in Nigeria, we hardly track our home spending. Now let's go down to transportation. It's a very comprehensive data. This transportation, vehicle payment, fuel, if I'm using the bus, if I'm using Uber, if I'm using train, for vehicle repair, vehicle registration, parking fee, car wash. You are tracking all your fee. And man, you can use this software with your phone. Anywhere you are, you can just quickly input it. At the end of the month, you know how much you spent. Tracking your data, you can boldly. Okay, before I conclude, this is for children, talking about their medical, their clothing, their school tuition. It's funny to say, most Nigerians now, we can't tell how much you've been paying for school fees so far, but with this software you can track it month by month, how much you're paying for each school fees, for their school supplies, if they see a baby, if this is toys and games for purchase, and this is other, you can customize it to your taste, down to health. We talk about the dentist, medicine you bought, what was the emergency about the child, how much did you spend, insurance, education. They are all comprehensive, man. Very, very comprehensive, down to business expense, entertainment expense. If you have pets, man, you track your pet expense, you track your subscriptions, miscellaneous, your travel and vacation, you travel your hotel fees, you track all these things and know how much you're spending. Man, there are so many software. I can keep going on and on down to our real estate app, but let me just, I know by now you should understand the picture, and tell me if you're interested in something like this. We will build it to your taste, man. Thank you very much.